Holy shit, you're seriously pregnant.
I know, right?
I heard you went to rehab.
I heard you were doing a ton of coke. I got pregnant to get sober.
So you get to detox.
I heard detox is a super rush for the baby.
Yay! The thing about babies is they never get my jokes.
Pregnancy is such a commitment.
And the baby comes out.
Stupid baby. Rehab is a much better option.
Yeah, it's only 3 months.
I tried to go to rehab. It was full of drug addicts.
Ew.
It's okay. I don't look pregnant from the back, so guys still hit on me. Plus, now I got these.
They are really great.
Right?
Plus, being a single mom with an illegit baby has got, like, tons of perks.
Illegit babies are sparkles. I'm not totally single, though.
Who's the shooter?
Demon, maybe? We just moved in together, so...
Wait, Jamaican Damon?
Mm-hmm.
It's an illegitimate Rasta mulatto baby?
That's loads of attention.
Congratulations.
When it comes out, can I borrow it?
I already called Dibs.